Good morning students, welcome back in our science online class. Today we are going to learn about the insectivorous plants. Now what is meant by insectivorous plants? Actually insectivorous plants means the plants which eat insects. But why these plants eat insects? That is the question. So that question's answer you will get today. Now see insectivorous plants. There are some green plants which obtain their food from soil, atmosphere and partly from insects. So such plants are called insectivorous plants. Means they can make their food also and they depend on insects also. So how to define these insectivorous plants? What is the definition of the insectivorous plant? So first definition of insectivorous plants. Those green plants which obtain their food partly from insects are called insectivorous plants. One more time I will repeat. Those green plants which obtain their food partly from insects. Partly means some, not 100%. Depend. So partly from insects are called insectivorous plants. These insectivorous plants have special kind of leaf to catch or to trap the insects. Second thing, these insectivorous plants are also called carnivorous plants as they eat the insects. Now, where this kind of plants specially grow? So, insectivorous plants grow specially in those soil where nitrogen is very less or not sufficient. So these kind of plants specially grow where the nitrogen is very less in the soil. Then what are the examples of these plants? So examples of insectivorous plants are pitcher plant, sundew plant and Venus flytrap. These are the insectivorous plants. Sometimes the question may come like this. Define insectivorous plant. Write any two examples of insectivorous plant. So at that time just you define what is the definition of insectivorous plant. Okay, this is the definition. So you define and give any two examples of insectivorous plant. Now we will take one example. Okay, so one example means that is a pitcher plant and I will explain you how this process takes place. Okay, can you see here? This is a diagram of insectivorous plant. Okay, students, this is the diagram of pitcher plant. Okay, which is also called the insectivorous plant. So this plant, pitcher plant has leaf. Okay, so some part of leaf is like a tube-like structure. Okay. And half part is like a pitcher-like structure. Can you see here? So this is the one complete leaf. Okay, this is the leaf of pitcher plant. So half part is tube-like and half part is pitcher-like. Okay, students. Now see, this is a pitcher-like plant. The pitcher plant has a mouth. Okay, this is called the mouth, and this mouth has one leaf. Can you see here? Lead or flap. So this lid is useful for opening and closing the mouth of pitcher plant. Inside the pitcher plant there are small hairs which are directed downwards. There are hairs, okay? These hairs are directed downwards to trap the insect or entangle the insects. Okay. Then now see how the insect is digested by this plant. Now see here, once the insect lands on this part or mouth part, okay, so at that time the insect sometimes goes inside and suddenly the lid is closed by the pitcher plant. Once the lid is closed, the insect moves downwards and trapped by the hair and then die here. Once the insect die, okay, so wall of the pitcher plant, this is the wall. The wall of pitcher plant produce digestive juices, and these digestive juices digest the proteins. These digestive juices digest the proteins present in body of insect and then converted into the simple nitrogen and absorbed by the wall of pitcher plant. And this way the pitcher plant get nitrogen from the insects. So this is the one simple method of getting nitrogen through the insects. Okay students, so I hope you understood the insectivorous plants and how they get the nitrogen from the insect. Now you understood why the insectivorous plant eat insects? Yeah, insectivorous plant eat the insects to get the nitrogen because they are unable to get the nitrogen from the soil. That's why they depend on the insect. Okay students? So today we'll stop here. Remaining part will continue in our next video.